this problem we have to prove that sec square x equal to 1 plus x square plus 2x raised to 4 by 3 plus dot dot dot. So it is infinite series. So now to expand the given function in terms of algebraic terms, we will use Maclaurin series over here. So what is the formula of Maclaurin series? So Maclaurin series for f of x is given by f of 0 plus x f dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash of 0 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial f fourth dash of 0 and so on. So as we want the last term as x raised to 4, I am stopping at x raised to 4. But this series is infinite series. I'll say this as equation number 1. And now we'll find out the values of unknown, that is f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, triple dash of 0 and so on, to get the value of sec square x as the given function. So for that we'll first find out the derivatives of f of x. So here we'll consider f of x as sec square x. Now from f of x we can get f of 0. Similarly, to get f dash of 0 will require f dash of x. So f dash of x is derivative of this, so that is 2 times sec x, and derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, so that will become sec square x into tan x. Next we'll find out f double dash of x to get the value of f double dash of 0. So 2 as it is, here we'll apply the product rule. So sec square x as it is, derivative of tan x is again sec square x, plus tan x as it is, and derivative of sec square x is 2 times sec x and again sec x into tan x, so sec square x into tan x. So we'll take it together, we will get 2 times sec raised to 4x plus 2 times sec square x into tan square x. Next, f triple dash of x. So for that we'll find out derivative of this term. So 2 as it is, derivative of sec raised to 4x is 4 times sec cube x into derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, plus 2 as it is. Now here we'll apply the product rule, we will get sec square x as it is, derivative of tan square x is 2 tan x and derivative of tan x is sec square x, plus tan square x as it is, and derivative of sec square x is 2 sec x into sec x into tan x. Now after minimizing these terms, here we'll get 4 times sec raised to 4x into tan x. So 4 sec raised to 4x into tan x. Here we'll get 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4 sec raised to 4 into tan x. So plus 4 times sec raised to 4x into tan x. And here we'll get 2 into 2, 4. So plus 4 times sec square x tan cube x. So sec square x tan cube x. Now 2 as it is, or here we'll get 4 plus 4, that is 8 times tan x into sec raised to 4x plus 4 times sec square x into tan cube x. And now we'll find out the last derivative, that is f fourth dash of x. So we'll find out derivative of this term. So therefore f fourth dash of x equal to, so 2 as it is, here 8 is constant, here we'll apply the product rule. Now tan x, the derivative of tan x is sec square x and sec raised to 4x as it is. So 8 as it is, sec square x into sec raised to 4x, plus, now I'll keep tan x as it is, and derivative of sec raised to 4x is 4 sec cube x into sec x into tan x. Next, I'll keep this 4 as it is, we'll apply product rule on this. So sec square x as it is, here I'll write 4 as it is, sec square x as it is, and the derivative of tan cube x is 3 tan x into the derivative of tan cube x is 3 tan square x into, here we'll get derivative of tan x is sec square x. Next, now tan cube x as it is, so here I'll say plus tan cube x, and the derivative of sec square x is 2 times sec x into sec x into tan x, so sec square x into tan x. So by minimizing this, here we'll get 2 as it is, here 8 times sec raised to 6x, here we'll get 4 times tan square x and sec raised to 4x, so 4 times tan square x sec raised to 4x. Now we can take this 8 inside, so 8 into 4 can become 32, or we'll keep this 8 outside and we'll keep this bracket as it is. Next, plus 4 times, here we'll get 3 times tan square x sec raised to 4x, so tan square x sec raised to 4x, plus here we'll get 2 times sec square x tan raised to 4x. If we'll expand it further, here we'll get 2 into 8, that is 16, so 16 times sec raised to 6x. Here we'll get 2 into 8, 16, 16 into 4, 64, so 64 times tan square x sec raised to 4x, and here, so here I'll write plus 64 times tan square x into sec raised to 4x. Now 3 into 4, that is 12, into 2, so 24, so 24 times tan square x sec raised to 4x, and the last term will be 4 into 2, 8, into 2, 16, so 16 times sec square x tan raised to 4x. So this is the value of f fourth dash of x. Now what we'll do is, we will find out the value of f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, and so on. So therefore f of 0 is nothing but sec square 0, and sec square 0 is 1. Next, f dash of 0 is equal to, so 2 into sec 0 tan 0. Now tan 0 is 0, so we'll get answer as 0. Next, we'll find out f double dash of 0. So f double dash of 0 is sec 0 is 1. Now 2 outside, in bracket we'll get 1. Tan 0 is 0, so the second term is 0, so plus 0, so the answer is 2. Similarly, to get the third derivative, here we'll say, that is f of third dash of 0 equal to, so here tan 0 is 0, tan 0 is 0, so both terms are 0, and 2 into 0, that is 0, so third derivative is also 0. Now let's find out the fourth derivative. So here we'll get f fourth dash of 0 as 16, sec 0 is 1, so this is 16, tan 0 0, this term is 0, tan 0 0, this term is 0, and tan 0 0, this term is 0, so it means the fourth derivative is 16. Now we'll substitute these 4 values in equation number 1. So therefore equation number 1 will become f of x, that is sec square x. So therefore from equation number 1 we'll get sec square x equal to, here f of 0 is 1, so first term is f of 0, 1. Next, x into f dash of 0, but f dash of 0 is 0, so the second term is 0. F double dash of 0 is 2, so 2 into x square upon 2 factorial. Now 2 factorial is 2, so this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, we'll get only x square, so plus x square. Next, f triple dash of 0 is 0, so here we'll get 0 into anything, that is 0, so this term is 0. And here f 4 dash of 0, that we got as 16, so here we'll get 16 x raised to 4 upon 24 because 4 factorial is 24. So plus 16 x raised to 4 upon 24. So if we'll solve this, okay, plus dot 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 because this is infinite series. So if we'll solve this, here we'll get 1 plus x square by the table of 8. We will get 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24 dot dot dot. So here we got this series which is required in the given question. Thank you.